Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So today we could make only brief comments on the current situation because major things we already have discussed yesterday. So if you remember, yesterday we talked about the possible downside reaction on euro currency on the data that should release today. Recent performance of the United States stock market and in general data that we've got through the month suggests that, well, it seems that gross domestic product should not drop too much, or it might be even better than expected. And concerning the inflation, there's also not many reasons to suggest that we should get some really big drop in the personal consumption expenditures. So that was the reason why we said yesterday that be prepared that market could show some downside reaction. But it seems that, well, this reaction is postponing right now. So euro has decided to make it not before the data release, but right on the possible data release. As after small retracement, you could see the market keep going higher. So in fact, the level that we have specified when this retracement started is 107.40. It's already market is testing it, so we're at target. And here is actually a few options as usual. So you could wait for a data release, then make the decision on the possible position taking. If you do not want to wait, you would like to prefer to take the position in advance, you will have to buy some insurance. So you have to place a bit more extended stop. At what level I will show you a bit later. In general, situation has become clearer with this retracement yesterday within the few hours after our comments, because if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that here's right after this minor pullback has happened, market has formed side by side two grabbers. These grabbers have been formed not only on euro currency but on the dollar index as well. So appearing of these grabbers clearly tells that there should not be any downside continuation. It's just because they suggest taking out of this top. This has happened in market right now, as you can see, complete both of these patterns. Now it's running around this area. So since we're considering this upward action just as a retracement of this very strong downside action, and market right now stands around 30% resistance here and 50% level also the recent thrust. So this potentially interesting area for possible position taking. We could follow the two ways. So first we could just wait when the data will be released and watch for clearly bearish patterns that might be formed here. Then just easily taking the position and see what will happen next and hoping the downward continuation. Or if you still would like to do this in advance, which is not our preferable way, but still keep in mind of this XOP, this upside action, because market already stands above the OP. We are coming to the data release. It might be more volatility on the market in this moment, or maybe, who knows, maybe some surprise and data will be really weak. In this case, the jump here is very probable. And so this is 107.53 area that you have to consider if you do not want to wait and would like to take position right now. So you will have to place stop probably above this level initially. So when everything will happen, you could make the decision on adjustment of the area of the stop, but initially probably you will have to do this. That's why we're not really very fascinating with this approach and prefer to wait when the data will be released, if even downside action already will start, and we will take position not at the better price than this one, but in the points where we will take it very probable that we will get almost definitely we will get some less potential risk, and from that standpoint of view it might be more acceptable for position taking. So here also you could watch for kind of the channel its market stands right now. It's actually also might be important what will happen inside of it. So downside breakouts at some point later, maybe next week already, it also might be important confirmation. And in general, you can see that overall shape here is a bit choppy. That definitely has the features of the retracement, not some reversal. This makes overall our scenario on the daily chart that we intend to follow with just treating it as a pullback and hoping that we'll get downside continuation. Currently, well, seems it is reasonable. So that's actually all that we would like to say currently on euro currency. Now we just need to wait for the data release and let's see what will happen.